Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my new MacBook Pro 16" and I'm extremely excited to open this. And this is my first MacBook that I ever bought. Previously, before 6 years ago, I bought one laptop that is the HP, and recently it's not working very well. That is why I was thinking that I should upgrade my laptop, and it has is still good, working very well, but less speed, and I cannot export my video, I cannot edit my video properly, and it takes a long time to export. Okay, let's talk about specification of this laptop. It has 16-inch display and 10 core CPU and 16 core GPU and 16 GB RAM and 1 terabyte memory. Okay guys, let's have a look first.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay guys, let's talk about that why I decided to buy this MacBook Pro 16-inch with M1 Pro chip. First of all, this is most powerful laptop ever, and it looks attractive and premium. It has a 16-inch liquid retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, and it has 3 Thunderbolt USB-C port as well as 1 SD slot. These are most important for our daily uses. And most important things, it has a MagSafe 3 charging cable with 140 charging adapter that will help us to charge it very faster. After that, it has a 1080p FaceTime HD camera that is very clear and very useful even in low light. It has a high fidelity 6x speaker sound system which is absolutely great. Even though it's 16-inch MacBook, but it's very comfortable while you are traveling. And it has so many features that you will love once you start to use this MacBook. And I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing video, and see you later with another video. Thank you so much.